Hey guys, Cipher Tech here. Welcome back to the video. And today I have the Z Fold 4, Samsung's new flagship device. Let's get to the video. I want to give a big thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and all my OG subscribers. I want to say you guys are the real MVP, holding my channel down and giving me the motivation to keep doing videos for you guys. Now, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, I am Cipher Tech. I do tech reviews and game reviews as well, and we have fun on this channel. So if you like stuff like this, consider subscribing and join the army of Ciphers. We'd love to have you around. Now, the Z Fold series have been a subject of controversy for everyday consumers. On one hand, you've got people who like the fold technology and find it really cool because they think it increases productivity and functionality as far as the smartphone is concerned due to that multitasking feature that it has and the ease of multitasking on a phone that can easily fold, and you can do multiple things at the same time. Now, you got other people on the other side who think that the fold technology is simply not a good look and just think it's a waste and a gimmick altogether. So these are two people you have on different specs of the coin. Now, I understand both sides very well. Putting a price tag of $1,799 on a phone is scary. Like, it's really scary. And if someone or a customer wants to buy the phone who isn't really into the Z Fold and wants to start or experience the Z Fold series, you've just drove away those customers, because now putting that $1,799 price tag is absurd. And I don't know what Samsung were thinking putting that price tag on this device, because trust me, it's not worth it at all. Now, $1,799 is the base price. When you add taxes, which is about 6 cents on the dollar, it sums up to $1,906. So for the base Z Fold 3, you pay $1,906. That will come with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB hard drive. So let's look at the specs of this phone. Talk about dimensions. 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display when folded, and when unfolded stretches out to 7.6 inches QXGA plus dynamic AMOLED, which is also 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Now, the middle crease in this phone is really more prominent than the Z Fold 3, and I don't get it. You're supposed to be going forward, not backward. So I thought that this crease will either be like the Z Fold 3 or even better, but now it's just more prominent. The edges are more sharper. I don't get it at all, and it doesn't look all the way that polished. So that's a step back for Samsung. Now, for the processor, this year you get Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. For storage, this very version is the 256 GB version, and you can get the 512 and the 1 TB also. For memory, same as the Z Fold 3, 12 GB memory. I wish they scaled it up to 16 GB, or at least put the 16 GB on the 512 or 1 TB tier. Now, for battery, you're looking at 4,400 mAh battery, same with the Z Fold 3. Talk about the camera. This phone has a triple camera setup. It is identical to the Z Fold 3, but now they kind of upgraded with a 50 megapixel wide angle camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto lens. For the front camera, 10 megapixel, and then for the under display camera, which is the worst, 4 megapixel. And to make it even more damning, the camera, they tried to hide it, but it didn't do a good job of hiding that camera. It just makes it look a little bit unpolished. So for the OS, we're looking at Android 12L, One UI 4.1.1, and that's just it comes with your regular Android OS. Now, this phone comes in 3 colors: gray, green, like you see in front of you right now, which we have, phantom black, and the beige. Now, this doesn't come with a stylus, and with the fact that you charging over $2,000 from customers, the least you can do is give us a stylus, or at least give me a 25-watt fast charging brick. This is unacceptable. I mean, I've paid less for devices and gotten way more than this bullshit. Apple, don't laugh, because this goes for you guys too. You just as terrible, if not even worse. Now, my general take on this phone is, as an average consumer, I repeat, I will not advise anyone who is on the market for buying a new phone to spend $2,000 on the Z Fold. I will not advise you to do that. It'll go against everything I believe in. But I will say, if you are keen on getting a Samsung, get the S22 Ultra or get the S22 Plus if you want to get the Samsung at all costs. But if not, then you can get the iPhone 13 Pro Max or the latest iPhone 14 that is about to drop. Just be a little bit patient. So guys, that's pretty much my take on this Samsung Z Fold 4. My next video, hopefully we will run some performance benchmark test on gaming and see how this performs. I would love to stack this phone up to my iPhone 13 Pro Max. But remember, in my last video, when I complained about my phone dying, same thing happened again, but this time my phone refused to wake up. So I've pretty much contacted Apple and talked about this with them, and they said I should bring the phone in and they're gonna take it and give me a brand new phone. So it's just sad, man. It's just sad that big tech mobile giants just disappoint us the most. I don't know, but I might just resort to using Techno or something. Who knows? Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Now, if you see this video and you are not yet a subscriber, please be sure to subscribe. And you enjoy content like this, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Also, we will be excited to have you as part of the Legion, an army of ciphers. And to all my current legions, I want to say thank you guys for the support you guys have been giving me. Let's keep this train rolling. And with that said, stay safe. Crazy times. Stay frosty. Cipher Tech out. See ya.